welcome to my channel. This is Nishi and you're watching True Tarot. So today we are going to see what's coming up for Aquarius. Okay Aquarians, let's see what is coming up for you for the remaining month of July. These are just the general readings. They may or may not resonate to you. So whatever resonates to you, just take it and leave the rest. Okay? So let's see what's your first card is. Aquarians, your first card is the Tower. Okay. The Tower and the Page of Wands. Okay, somebody's coming towards you with some kind of information, some kind of maybe the news or the message that has lots of potential about doing it so much. You can create the Tower moment, or whatever the thing it is coming to you. It might shake your world apart. It might shake you a bit like a thunderbolt. Here you can see how the lightning is getting stuck to it. It's hitting the crown chakra and everything. How the things are falling behind, the dark behind this thing. You can see the shabby foundation on which it has been based. You can see. So this information will tell you. We'll see how the cards will go ahead. So whether this Tower moment is being created by you or it is for you. Here if it hits your crown chakra, the lightning, here I can see some information definitely, because of this information only it has been hit up. So maybe you're the one who's creating it. We'll see it ahead what cards are coming up. Some breakthrough is going to happen, something that will really shake the things around. All the things which are based on the shabby foundation, not on the like morally correct things, are going to fallen down, as you can see here. Okay, your next card is Seven of Swords. Okay, Two of Swords. I see that you must have seen some kind of trickery, or you know that something is happening around. Some person or somebody is there who is kind of, this card you can say, the stealing things. You can see how this person is hidingly, like sneakily taking the Seven Swords and running away with it. So it is like somebody is stealing some kind of information, some kind of material, some kind of things. Nobody would come to know and will pass out with it. Here with the Two of Swords, I can see that maybe you've seen it, but you're not doing anything regarding to it. I can see the blindfold. I can see the cross heart chakra. You have blocked your heart for it. You're not going ahead. You're not giving this information to anyone. Some kind of emotional thing may be related to the situation. Water, moon, what I can see is here. You're just sitting at one place. You're not going ahead. You're not making any decision. You're sitting at one place, cross the heart chakra, not deciding anything. It says about indecision, or with the blindfold you don't want to see, or after even seeing you're not saying it that you have seen it. Okay, let's see what ahead it is. Seems quite fishy. Okay, it's related to Pentacles and the Cups. Wonderful. In the middle of the reading, if I can say, here is Ten of Pentacles with the Ten of Cups. This is all about happiness, prosperity, financial growth, happy family. You can see it's related to inheritance also. The Ten of Pentacles, what I can see here, the person is there. The grandfather figure, you can see the animals, the cats and dogs. Here also you can see how the kids are playing around with the wonderful future, the happiness, the rainbow, all the 10 cups are there. So whatever the situation is, the thunderbolt, the sneaky situation here, it's been there. You are quite, maybe because of this thing, 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups, for your own happiness, for your own prosperity and this thing, you might have seen something, or it could be you that you're doing it. Let me see what else is coming ahead, Aquarians. Your fourth card is Nine of Cups. Nice. You're sitting, you are very much happy, you're contented with the thing. And here also I can see with the Four of Pentacles, again you're sitting, you're resisting, you don't want to share anything with anyone. All the 10 cups, 9 cups, you want it for you. I can see it, you have blocked your heart chakra again, the crown chakra also again, I can see here in the Two of Swords also, here also. It seems like you're just sitting at one place and you're seeing everything, you know everything, but you're not making any decision, you're not moving. You're resistive about your pentacles, about your happiness, because, and this is not wrong, I understand Aquarians, everybody here thinks about their own prosperity, their own happiness. So if something is related to that, if you are keeping quiet and not doing anything, that is different thing. But here the thing is, something has happened definitely with the Tower moment, with the Tower card. I can see, yes, something is there, some breakthrough is there. And with this breakthrough, maybe you or somebody have sneaked a lot of things from the picture. And you can see your own happiness, prosperity in it. And you're with this thing, the resistive things, you don't want to share it with anyone. Whatever it is there, you want to keep it on you with you. You're just sitting in one place because of this thing. I've seen in 3 cards back to back sitting at one place. Two of Swords, 9 of Cups, and 4 of Pentacles. Let's see what ahead it is coming. What are you up to, Aquarians? Last card is 10 of Swords, kind of an ending with the 7 of Wands. You're resisting. There is some kind of ending to the resistance, I can say. Maybe you are resisting it since so long. You don't want it to anyone coming in your area, in your territory. You're protecting it. And here I can see the ending, it is there. It is kind of a painful ending also. Maybe I would see some new beginning is going to happen with whatever this prosperity, the happiness, the cups you have got, this thing, whatever you have got from this, and from the 7 of Swords, the trickery. It might be planned by you or it might be planned by anyone else, but you see your own security, financial security, stability for yourself, and you're going ahead with it. So I can see here some ending is there. Whatever the resistance was there, now it's ending and you're moving forward. Every ending says about a new beginning. You can see here how the sunlight is there and how the darkness is going away. It's the rising of a new day. So here I can see some ending is there that is painful. I can see the 10 of Swords are being there here. If I connect these 2 cards here with this sneaky behavior, whoever it is have been done it, any trickery, it had given you pain also, it had given some ending also, but you yourself was aware of it. You yourself was aware of it because already the things on the Shelby foundation, they might have already hit you. You were already aware of it. With the crown chakra, I can see it have really blasted upon you that yes, somebody is there who is doing it, all this. Maybe in this process, you have secured your 10 of Pentacles, Cups and everything because you were knowing, you were aware of it that something like this is about to happen. The trickery, the Tower thing is about to happen in this thing. So you played it very safe and you kept your pentacles and whatever it is in a secure this thing. You are not happy with whatever this person has done. If this full thing is, maybe it's in a family or it's outside in your profession or something, wherever it is, you're not happy with this person, what he had done. But you want to end it. For too long you have resisted it, but now you want to end it and you start the new thing with whatever you're having here. I can see it's a good ending. What I can take out from all the cards is like you were having your insights or maybe universe was with you that showed you something related to the tower thing, and you've seen this thing, you kept quiet. With the two of swords, I have seen that you kept quiet. Maybe this person could be very close to you, a friend, a family, could be anything. That's why you kept quiet, but you made yourself secure and you move ahead with it. Yeah, you got a pain. You'll have to leave this person, or you'll have to understand that this is not the person whom I can trust, because it is so much trickery, planning, plotting. It is there, the sneaky behavior, what this person has shown. So that's why it has given you pain. It's backstabbed you, tried to take a lot from you, but as you have already secured yours, saved yours, so maximum is with you. And with that resistant energy, here also the resistant energy with the Four of Pentacles and this card, I would say yes, whatever you're resisting, now you want to come it, give it a complete end and move ahead with a new beginning. Wonderful, Aquarians. Let's see what else it is coming. What's the message that it's coming for you, Aquarians? What message is there for Aquarians? It says tied up. Every package is tangled up in knots which someone else has tied it. I understand. Maybe it says that, it just says that every package, whenever you get a package, it is being tangled in knots. Whatever you say, a gift wrap or whatever, it is being tangled in knots. That it is not being tied by you but by somebody else, right? You're feeling the tied up thing, it is there. But don't worry, in the end, somebody will open the knots and you will be free. What you're doing, you're going ahead, you will be free. You will be starting with a new beginning, whatever it is. So right now, the situation where you're seeing it here, it's kind of tied up. That's why the blindfold was there, indecision was there in the Two of Swords, what I have seen. With this thing, the Tower moment also, it gives you kind of a tied up situation that you feel like everywhere it is being tangled with the knots and everything, and which definitely you are not the one, which someone else has tied it up. So just beware of this person, whoever the sneaky person is there around you, and whatever the insights you're getting with the Tower thing, just make sure whatever the universe is guiding you with, any type of messages, any type of information that will hit your crown chakra, where you can understand about what the things are there which are based on the Shebi foundation. In the beginning, with this card, we have seen the Page of Wands. Some person, some information, some passionate information you're going to get it that has a lot of potential in it. So whatever the person or whatever the universe giving you the message with that Page of Wands, understand it properly. It will give you something, information about the Tower, about the sneaky person, and save your this thing so that you can move ahead with it. Don't worry about the situation. Hope it helped you, whatever it is. So this is it, Aquarians. All I can say is, again, best of luck for whatever the things are going ahead in the life. So please do like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.